the Ipevo Do Cam. It couldn't be easier to use. It can be used with any device that has a USB port, like your laptop or desktop computer. You just plug it into your USB port and it's ready to go. Switch the camera head from a document camera to a webcam with an easy flip. This model is lightweight, portable, and adjustable, giving you flexibility for capturing different heights and angles. Perfect for your learner to use. In fact, these are available for learners and tutors to sign out from the LU library. Check out the LU website for sign-out policies. Pause this video if you'd like to read a summary of Do Cam features, and be sure to download the Quick Start Guide and Zoom setup instructions to get started. Have fun!